Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to sign into the Coinbase app. First, locate and open the Coinbase application on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is open, you will see fields to enter your login credentials. Carefully type in the email address associated with your Coinbase account, followed by your secure password. After entering both pieces of information, simply tap the Sign In button to access your account dashboard. It's a straightforward process to get started. After entering your email and password, Coinbase often requires a second layer of security, two-factor authentication. This usually involves an authenticator app, like Google Authenticator, or a text message to your registered phone number. Open your Authenticator app to retrieve the current 6-digit code, or check your SMS messages for the code sent by Coinbase. Enter this code into the designated field to complete the verification process and securely log in. Sometimes, you might encounter issues when trying to sign in. First, always check your internet connection. A weak signal can prevent login. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link on the sign-in screen to reset it securely. Also, make sure your Coinbase app is updated to its latest version from your device's app store. Outdated apps can sometimes cause unexpected login problems, so keeping it current is a good practice. To enhance your account security, consider enabling biometric login, such as fingerprint or Face ID, for faster and more secure access. Always use a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. And hey, while you're securing your digital assets, why not make your daily life easier too? Check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keeping your information safe and your meals organized is a win-win.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.